drone has a sensor pack so that we pull in the gases out to beyond the prop wash effects. So the prop wash basically comes down in here. We've done a lot of CFD work and flow visualization to determine where the prop wash is.
So you know your fluid dynamics. Excellent.
And so that's why the size of the drone is so big, is so to get outside of the prop wash, so we get undisturbed sampling at the end of the probe. We pull the sample in and have several sensors in here. One of the sensors is the AerNos sensor that we're in their booth here.
And that's yours, or is that?
Well, that's AerNos, and our company is Elevated Analytics. So we use the AerNos sensor, and we've teamed up with them to.
So you're the brains
in the development of it for this application, yeah. So we pull the gases in, and then we have the AerNos sensor to measure basic air quality, like SOx and NOx and those sorts of things. And then we also have some additional sensors to monitor hazardous type things like methane. Actually, one sensor measures 10 different hydrocarbons and hydrogen from one sensor.
Wow.
All that. So it's pretty remarkable technology, how compact the sensor technology is getting.
Houston and Louisiana need many of these, that's for sure.
So the whole idea is that we kind of got started with the idea that we wanted to be able to. We did a lot of work with the EPA and different companies with industrial flares. Really? And being able to monitor the emissions off of industrial flares is a pretty difficult task. There's a few open optical techniques, but they're very expensive. So, at the very minimum, like several $100,000 up to millions of dollars, we can put together a package with off-the-shelf drones for $40,000.
Fantastic.
That can go up and monitor those emissions. Now, granted, those aren't legacy sensors yet, but I'm on the ASTM committee with the EPA people to get these smaller sensors recognized by the EPA. And what they do is they do some testing against the legacy sensors with these to fully characterize the different sensors, and they're performing extremely well. So. And
did I understand that they have a very low power consumption?
And very low power consumption.
You can load it up with as many as you want.
Yeah, so we can, this particular package has the AerNos sensor, which has up to 5 different gases.
That small device does 5 gases.
It can do 5 different gases, and then we have another device that's.
So that's a lot of data for you to analyze.
And then we have another sensor that's it's a little bit smaller than that. It does 12 different flammable gases. We'll identify which gas is there and tell what the concentration is. So you can find out if. For first responders, that's one of our applications. It's first responders.
So one of the things that the city of Houston is very interested in is they just started their drone program, and obviously their fire department has to deal with a lot of different things.
Well, funding is one of the biggest things to get the short-sighted people that don't appreciate that you spend $10,000 or $15,000 on a nice package that can help the firefighters. You can save hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yeah, there seems to be so much of a focus on law enforcement and fire and not fire, but the reality is that fire needs this first because, the chemical explosions or chemical leakage is such an insidious
so that's
threat.
One of the beauties of this gas sensing system. There's a lot of drones that they're being purchased by first responders, which primarily are just going out and videoing the site before the first responders get there. And this will do that as well. As you can see, it's got the camera and everything. And you can mount IR cameras to help with that. But one of the nice things about this gas sensing system that's included on this one is that you go out to a fire at a chemical plant, you can tell what they're going to get into before they get there, so they'll know, hey, I need to get in my hazmat outfit before I ever start getting close, you know.